गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम सुनील एंड दिस इज एमएस क्लासेस। सो गाइस, आज मेरा एक इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल पर है। एक्सरसाइज है आपकी 4.4, क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट। सो हमें क्या करना है, वी हैव टू ड्रा अ ग्राफ ऑफ अ लीनियर इक्वेशन y इज इक्वल टू 3। बट गाइस, इंटरेस्टिंग वन इज दैट वी हैव टू ड्रा द ग्राफ वन डायमेंशन or in one variable or two dimension, that is in a two variable. So guys, what is the question? Y is equal to 3. Your question is, equation is y is equal to 3. You have to make the graph as a one variable and as a two variable. So guys, this is a one variable equation. Why? Because we have only y. So what are the variables? X and y are the variables, and here we have equation y is equal to 3. So this equation is a one variable equation. So very simple, we have to represent this point on the number line. This is the one variable representation of y is equal to 3 on a graph. So guys, first of all, your solution is a line. This is a line, and at the center we have 0. Then at equal distance we have some values. That values on right sides are positive, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, and on left side all will minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. So guys, this is a one variable representation, right? So we have y is equal to 3. So here simple, this is y is equal to 3. So coordinate is, your equation is y is equal to 3. So this is the representation of equation as a one variable. Now guys, how to convert this in a two variable, right? So now we have general formula. General two variable equation is x plus y plus c is equal to 0. Here x and y are variables and c is a constant. But here we have y is equal to 3 only. Here y is equal to 3. Then if we place the value of x is 0 only, then it will convert into two variable, right? So see, here we have first variable is x, but the coefficient of x is 0, so this is nothing, okay? And variable is, second variable is y. So this is the equation of a two variables. Let this equation number is 1, right? Let this equation is 1. Why we write this equation number 1? Because we have to find out the solution of this equation. Now guys, you know how to calculate the solution. First of all, put x is equal to 1 in equation 1, right? We have, we get y is equal to 3 plus 0 into 1, this is only 3, right? This is only 3. So what the coefficient of x and y? X and y, x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 3. This is first coefficient of equation y is equal to 3 on a Cartesian plane. Now put x is equal to 2 in equation number 1. Then we get y is equal to 3 plus 0 into 2. When we place the value of x is equal to 2, then we have only 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Then 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 only. Then coefficient, next coefficient, that v is equal to x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Right, this is our second coefficient. Now put x is equal to 3 in equation 1, then we get y is equal to 3 plus 0 into 3. 0 into 3 means 0. Again we have only 3. The coefficient of C, this is equal to 3 comma 3. If we take one another coefficient, this is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1 in equation first, we get y is equal to 3 plus 0 into minus 1. 0 into minus 1 means 0. Again we have only 3. So fourth coefficient of our equation, this is minus 1 comma 3. So guys, you see, we have a table of solution from equation y is equal to 3. So what the value of x and y? Our first coefficient is 1 comma 3. Second coefficient is 2 comma 3. Third coefficient is 3 comma 3. And fourth coefficient is minus 1 comma 3. So guys, you see, every time the value of y is 3 because we have y is equal to 3. This is our real equation. And value of variable, that is y, this is equal to 1, 2, 3 and minus 1. Now represent these all points on the Cartesian plane. So guys, you have to make a graph relate to the related sum. Now we have to make a Cartesian plane. This is Cartesian plane. Two mutual perpendicular lines intersect at 0 or O is origin. Equal distance, these points on x-axis and as well as a y-axis. Guys, you know how to draw the graph. Now this is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 on the right side of x, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 on negative side of x. Then plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 on the top side of y, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 on down side of y, that is minus y. Now we have to plot the graph by taking coordinate a, b, c and d. Coordinate of a is 1 comma 3. So value of x is 1, value of y is 3. So guys, this is the point where both perpendicular meet on 1 and 3. So this is a 1 comma 3. The second coordinate is 2 comma 3. So value of x is 2 and value of y is same, this is 3. So guys, you see, another perpendicular meet at another point, this is b 2 comma 3. Then x is equal to 3, y again 3. So you see, this is the another point where two perpendicular meet. This is c, this is 3 comma 3. Now our next point is minus 1. This is x minus 1 and value of y is 3. Right? So this is the point where two perpendicular meet. This is D minus 1 comma 3. So guys, you see, when we make a line passing through these points, this line represents the graph y is equal to 3. So guys, this is the representation of y is equal to 3 as a two variable equation, right? So y is equal to 3 is every time parallel to x-axis. Now guys, your homework is you have to represent or you have to plot a line x is equal to 5, right? I make a graph of equation y is equal to 3, but you will make a graph from equation y is equal to 5. Guys, I hope you have been understand the topic and try to solve this question, right? So guys, if any query, then ask me through comments. Have a nice day. Thank you.